Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to fix Steam API .dll missing in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So friends, to fix this DLL error, so firstly open any web browser and type dll-files.com and press enter. So friends, you will see this website. In here you will find all DLL file. So to fix Steam DLL missing error, type steam.api DLL and click on search DLL file. If you not find that file, so type steam API and click on search DLL file. So friends, you will find steam API.dll. So click on this first file, scroll down and click on download as zip file. So you will find this zip file, open it, copy this DLL file and paste on your desktop. Now friends, click on start and type this PC. Press enter. Click on your C drive. In here click on Windows. Now friends, you need to copy this DLL file and paste in System32. This one. So open that file and paste that file. Click on continue. Now click on this back arrow, scroll down, and now you need to paste that file in syswow, this folder. So paste here. Click on continue. That's it. So friends, we need to copy this file and paste in System32 and this folder SYSWOW64. And hopefully friends, by using this very simple and easy method, Steam DLL file missing error will be fixed. And friends, still you are facing error, so open Steam. Now right click on game, click on properties. Now click on local file and click on browse local files. So you will go to directly this location. You need to copy this file and paste here. Click on replace, close it and restart your PC. Hopefully friends, by using this simple and easy method, this DLL missing error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.